Hi everyone. Mitsubishi Motors Corporation held the world premiere of the Mitsubishi XFC Concept in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. With the concept of being the best-suited buddy for an exciting life, the Mitsubishi XFC Concept is a next-generation compact SUV that offers the powerful and imposing design of an SUV, utility such as ease of handling and an ample cargo space, comfort including a class-leading interior space, and safe, secure road handling even on rough surfaces or roads flooded by heavy rains. We will launch the new compact SUV sequentially in the ASEAN markets including Vietnam in fiscal year 2023, said Takao Kato, President and Chief Executive Officer, Mitsubishi Motors. In the future, we plan to add an electrified variant to the lineup and to also roll it out in regions outside ASEAN. We hope to grow the model from a vehicle for the ASEAN market to a global strategic vehicle, making it a core model like the sales-leading expander crossover MPV. Powertrain details are yet to be revealed by Mitsubishi, but they pointed out plans to include an electrified variant for the production version of the XFC Concept. In addition, the fact that the XFC Concept has wet, gravel, and mud driving modes suggests the crossover could have an all-wheel drive variant once it is put into production. In line with Mitsubishi Motors' design philosophy of robust and ingenious, the Mitsubishi XFC Concept combines a compact yet powerful and imposing aura of an SUV with a sleek surface that forms one continuous flow, starting from the three-diamond emblem on the front and extending to the sides and rear. This gives it a stylish and sporty profile to match the cityscapes of the ASEAN region. In addition, with enhanced road handling on rough surfaces thanks to ample ground clearance and large diameter wheels, the Mitsubishi XFC Concept expresses both toughness and agility while featuring an authentic SUV styling that stands out in outdoor scenes. At the front, the dynamic shield concept, which expresses both performance and protection, has evolved in line with the concept. The L-shaped headlight in the headlight unit's upper portion combines with the louver-like daytime running lights, DRL, below to light up in an iconic T-shape, which shows a sense of broadness. The sides of the body are composed of rich, muscular surfaces, with sculpted front and rear fender flares and character lines expressing the power and dynamism of an SUV. Like the front, the rear also features T-shaped tail lights to create a rear styling that accentuates wideness and stability. The interior offers ease of operation and comfortableness, which are essential for an SUV. For the instrument panel, a horizontally themed design is adopted, making it easier to sense changes in the vehicle's posture when driving on rough surfaces while also improving forward visibility. Meanwhile, the dynamic design extending from the instrument panel to the door trim, along with a series of soft padding, give a sense of enclosure and protection to create a secure and comfortable interior. The Mitsubishi XFC Concept is designed for ease of operation, providing good forward visibility, easy perception of the vehicle's dimensions, and smooth handling. The instrument panel features a large display panel integrating a full digital driver display and a center display that can show three separate information such as navigation, road surface conditions, and other information necessary for driving on one screen to provide a safe and comfortable driving environment while also expressing a sense of advanced design. Despite its compact body size, the Mitsubishi XFC Concept is also designed for utility with ample cargo space. Although it is a compact SUV, the Mitsubishi XFC Concept comes with spacious cabin area. In particular, with its generous legroom in the rear seats, it offers top-level comfort in its class. Moreover, everyone on board can feel safe and reassured, with vehicle stability control in slippery road conditions and high-quality ride comfort. With plenty of ground clearance and 4 drive modes, normal, wet, gravel and mud, the Mitsubishi XFC Concept offers a fun, safe and secure ride in various weather and road conditions. Mitsubishi Motors President and Chief Executive Officer Takao Kato says the new compact SUV will be launched in the 2023 fiscal year. This means it will arrive sometime between April 2023 and May 2024, with the ASEAN market getting its first dibs on the production version. Also, the XFC Concept will be on display at the Vietnam Motor Show from October 26 to 30, 2022. Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to support us, like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and have a great day.